Good morning. So here are our ingredients. We're going to make carbonara supreme. Okay, so we have our garlic, then onions, the leaves, the leafy onion, and the white onions, and of course the shrimp. We have our cream. Since I don't have la carbonara cream, I will just use this. And I will use cheese to make it a little bit salty. So let's cook. I heated the pan. The onions and the garlic. The green onions will be for garnishing later. Okay, we'll just bango. Mabango ang garlic and onions. So, sorry. Ayan. So, pepper. So, ito yung pepper. Okay. And the cheese to make it salty. So, I've already boiled the spaghetti, but it's actually linguine, the flat pasta. Okay, so it's boiling. It will not be as creamy because it's actually just cream and it's not carbonara sauce. So because we don't have the carbonara sauce, that will be our alternative. Perhaps we can use one egg, but never mind, okay na po yan. And we have pre-boiled in the other pot our linguine, which is the flat pasta. So that one, the green onions will be for garnishing. Okay, to garnish. So that's it for a while. Okay, let's grate our cheese. So we have a big bar of cheese here. But of course, per serving, we'll get a topping of, a generous topping of cheese. And also the green onions. Just to add color because I don't have anything else to make a little green decor on top. a little garnish of green. Okay, a big portion. Voila, that is Simply Jane's Carbonara Supreme. Happy eating and enjoy your day. Till next video. Alright, don't forget to subscribe. O, dun po sa mga bago pa lang sa channel natin, mag-subscribe na po, mag-like at mag-share. Syempre, mag-comment na rin. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video natin, yan, lagi kayong tumutok kay Simply Jane. Bye! God bless you!